Good evening, everyone. I just quickly want to say something. So, Priya ji, I remember the flight we took from New York to Bombay. I had actually gone to New York for one of my follow-ups, and I met her. I had a chance to bump into her, and it has been my wish, my dream, to actually work for Nargis Dutt Foundation. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And you have my word anytime for anything, because we need more people like you who's doing genuinely such great work in this field. And Dr. Shah, thank you for educating me about the hair. Uh, you have one more patient. And to all the cancer survivors, fighters, I would like to say only one thing, that cancer is not a death sentence, that there is a life beyond cancer. Just have a strong will, and by the grace of God, with a great treatment, you all will be fine. And अभी तो आप wig पहने हैं, लेकिन आपके बाद बाल खुद वापस आ जाएंगे treatment के बाद. Okay, God bless you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. मेरे बाल भी वैसे वापस आ गए.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite on stage once again Happy Feet, who symbolize the cause of help cancer patients. Drop the scarf. Give a big
To Mr. Apurva Shah, so how difficult it is for a doctor to bring in confidence among patients to raise their hair again?
Well, hair and skin are the two most visible parts of a human anatomy and go a long way in developing a person's self-image, prestige and confidence. So, as we say, that in Hindi films, Chandi jaisa roop hai tera, sone jaise baal. बस तू ही धनवान बाकी सब है कंगाल. So obviously, right, it means a lot to a patient. So it's a big challenge. As I said, I faced it with my own mom when she was diagnosed with cancer. The fear of losing hair was more than the fear of cancer. And that's the reason why this process of giving back the hair, I think, is one contribution from the trichology world, right, to the cancer patients.
Yeah, hello. Good evening to all. This is Raj. I'd like to ask Manisha Korela ji. आप अपनी जिंदगी का टर्निंग पॉइंट किसे मानती हैं?
जी, जब मुझे मेरी ज़िंदगी का फ़िलहाल तो कैंसर ही टर्निंग पॉइंट है. जब मैं डायग्नोस्ड हुई और उसके बाद बहुत कुछ बदल गया, क्योंकि मैंने हेल्थ का इम्पोर्टेंस जाना, ज़िंदगी का महत्व जाना, और अपने आप को अपने सोल से कनेक्टेड चीज़ों को मैंने ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दिया उसके बाद. So it's definitely the turning point is when I was diagnosed with cancer. Thank you.
मनीषा जी, ये जो आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया लाइफ का, जिस इतनी बड़ी डिजीज़ से आप उभर के आई, इसमें जो बॉडी में स्ट्रेंथ रहती है, इच्छाएं जो रहती हैं इंसान में, वो वैसी रहती हैं या कुछ ताकत के लिए कुछ चीज़ लेनी पड़ती है, स्ट्रेंथ के लिए, ऐसा कुछ है इसमें?
देखिए, कमज़ोर तो करवा देती है। कोई भी बीमारी किसी को पड़ती है तो मानसिक रूप से और इमोशनल रूप से कमज़ोर तो इंसान हो ही जाता है, लेकिन उस वक्त भी अपने आप को थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना चाहिए। थोड़ा सा आप किसी चीज़ में भी विश्वास करते हैं, यू नो, आई बिलीव इन द डिवाइन, तो वी look for the strength, and we have the courage, we have the strength within us, और वही हमें अपने आप के अंदर ही ढूंढना पड़ता है और वो मिल जाता है, वो साहस मिल जाता है, वो करेज मिल जाता है। कमज़ोरी और डर तो स्वाभाविक ही है। That's जी। By the grace of God, I have a very good family support throughout. That really encouraged me. Plus my friends and my fans and so many people, and my doctors and everybody. And I actually took solace in knowing so many other cancer survivors who have come out of it and who had already known about it. So it really helped me when I had known about Lisa Ray and other celebrities. When I had read about them coming out of it, I knew I had hope too.
Hi, Manisha, of course you just on stage you kind of expressed your excitement regarding, you know, associating yourself with the Nargis Das Foundation. For the real life, you're also playing Nargis Das on the big screen in this biopic. How was that experience being a part of this entire project? And in a sense, it was about revisiting the ordeal also, but then if you can just tell us about it.
Actually, whenever I see a cancer survivor today, it's already is a reliving moment for me. I am affected by it any which ways, even if when I see someone. So when I'll be performing that, I haven't yet done that, but when I'll be performing that, of course I'll be revisiting that. But it's a great opportunity to be playing Nargis Das ji, and it's a great honor. You know, she's a legendary figure, and I hope I do the justice to the chance that I've been given.
Have you already started preparing for it to step into the character? Is there something you're doing?
We did a look test. We did this thing, and tomorrow itself there is another meeting with the director and the team to be preparing for that. And I'm actually, I haven't shared with Priya ji, but I want to talk about this. I want to know more about your mom.
Thank you.
We did lots during her earlier days as well, when she had short hair and then the long hair, and so many photographs of hers, you know, so many. So we did a couple of look tests till now, and I think we've got it somewhere closer to the look. So yeah, I'm quite kicked about it. I'm quite excited about it.
Hello. It's for Priya Dutt here. I'd like to ask you that, what do you feel is your greatest achievement till now?
My greatest achievement?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I don't think that's happened as yet. And I truly believe that I don't think once you say something is your greatest achievement, that's going to be the end of your life. So I think there's a lot to look forward to and a lot to achieve. And this should just be a beginning. And I think I aspire to achieve much more.
As an anchor or, you know, as a hosting a chat show or doing more movies, because your fans are still anxious to know?
Actually, to do a chat show, as far as health is concerned, I want to do that because I'm so much glued on to understanding health and human body, and you know, so I'll be looking forward for that if that comes on my way. But I am doing other movies as well. So you'll know about it as the days go by.
I think we'll be done with the questions, and would just thank everyone for being here, and forgot to mention Neeta ji, who has been really very, very helpful from CPA, and she has really been the driving force to bring all the patients together, and I missed out your name, sorry Neeta ji. And everyone here, thank you so much for being here with us today. And I would like to give a small token to our guests here from